Hello everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my first question goes to you that do you want to improve your English or do you want to learn English language? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you because in this video I'm going to talk about English language. How can we start learning English language? What will be your step to improve your English language? I'm going to talk about everything and one more thing that I will share about the feelings of English learner. So I hope that you are here for watching this video. So watch this video completely because I am sure that this is the first video on which topic I'm making this video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, first of all, my question was that are you learning English language or do you want to learn English language? So if your answer is yes, then how can you start? Simple, there is very simple step that you can follow. If you want to improve your English language, if you want to learn English language, then start from today. Don't wait for right time, don't wait for perfect time, that time will never come. Whatever you know about English language, just start from today onwards. If you wait for perfect time, then you will just postpone your all work, postpone your all time, that this is not my perfect time to start my English journey. I will start when I have knowledge, when I think that now I'm able to speak in English, then I will start speaking in English language. So day will never come in your life. So start from today onwards, whatever you know about English language. If you think that you will start your journey when you have knowledge about English language, so that time you will feel that you should have started your journey earlier. Because I also think that when I was watching videos, I always share about my journey, that when I started learning English language, I was wasting my time, I was watching videos. So this time I regret that if I had knowledge that how to learn English language, so I would be speaking in English language in my past also, and right now I would be very fluent in English language. So I think I only regret. So please don't make the same mistake. If you are in first level, if you are in zero level, you just want to improve your English, you just want to start your journey, then start from today. Don't wait for the right, because that time will never come in your life. This time is very perfect time for starting anything. If you want to do anything, start from today onwards. So in this way you can start your journey. And if I talk about the steps that you should follow in your journey, that is maintaining your consistency. There is no any step to learn English language, there is no any rules for learning any things. Rule, that is consistency. There is only one rule, that is maintaining consistency. If you are doing anything, just to maintain your consistency for doing that work. If you are consistent, then automatically rules will be applied by you. Automatically you will fall in love with that work. You will do that work every day. So just first of all, you should focus on consistency. If you are able to maintain your consistency, then you can do anything. Okay, so this is the step that you should follow, and we all must follow this step if we are doing anything, if we want to do anything in our life. So I think that there is only one step, that is maintaining consistency. If you are able to maintain your consistency, you can create rules for yourself, you can create step for yourself. Because just remember one line, that we do not work, our dreams make us work. हम काम नहीं करते, हमारे सपने काम करवाते हैं. तो if you have really desire to do anything, just put your efforts, maintain your consistency. And guys, here from my side there are noises from my side, so please sorry for that, ignore that voice. And yeah, this is enough for today onwards, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.